the new Kia EV9 GT. Please welcome Vice President of Sales Operations, Kia America, Eric Watson.
There it is, making its world debut, the Kia EV9 GT. What do you think? Kia is a brand on the move, and the EV9 GT is evidence of how fast we can go as we take the brand to the next level. Like all Kias bearing the GT badge, it amplifies the fun factor with serious high-performance goods. The vehicle's dual motor produces an estimated 501 horsepower, resulting in a targeted 0 to 60 time of just 4.3 seconds. And its GT-exclusive 21-inch alloyed wheels are shod with high-performance Continental tires. We've also equipped the EV9 GT with upgraded electronic suspension controls. And for the most dynamic settings, just tap the neon green button mode and hold on for the fun. As for stopping power, that's what these larger front brake and GT calipers are all about. Inside the suede-trimmed cabin, you'll find exclusive, deeply bolstered sport seats and GT-colored accents and embossed logos. Starting in the first half of 2025, all EV9 models will be equipped with the North American Charging Standard port, nearly doubling the number of DC fast chargers that our owners can access. Look for the EV9 GT in dealerships in the later half of 2025.